To set up mobile data limit on Honor 600, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to navigate down to mobile networks, and then we can enter data usage. If we scroll down, we'll be able to find more data settings, and now we can set up our data limit. So here you can click on the first button, which allows you to set specific limit in megabytes or gigabytes. So we can go for example, 5 gigabytes. Now when I click on OK, my data limit will be set to 5 gigabytes, which means I'll be able to use only 5 gigabytes from my data plan. Then we can change the start date on when it should begin, so we can enter whichever day you want to start it with. And you can also activate usage data reminders, which will try to remind you when you reach specific percentage that you can select right here for your data, and daily data as well. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.